Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell products on Trendyol step by step. First, open the Trendyol Seller Center website, log into your seller account using your registered email or phone number. Once you log in successfully, you will enter your seller dashboard where you can manage your products, orders, and payments. Now, Trendyol makes selling very easy with 4 simple steps. The first step is to submit your application. If your account is not fully approved yet, complete all the required business information, tax details, and bank account details. Once submitted, Trendyol will review your application and approve your seller account. The second step is to add your products and personalize your store. Go to the product section and click on Add Product. Here you can upload product images, write product titles, descriptions, prices, and stock quantity. The third step is to send your products to customers. Once a customer places an order, you will receive a notification inside your seller dashboard. Carefully pack the product and prepare it for shipping. The fourth and final step is to sell your products and get paid. After the customer receives the order successfully, Trendyol processes your payment and transfers the earnings to your connected bank account. So overall, selling on Trendyol is very simple if you follow these 4 important steps carefully.